everyone! So ngayon tignan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. So if you want to cleanse, so just go ahead and cleanse. So we have this one, 7. We also got this in either way. So I feel like yung iba sa inyo ay naguguluhan. We also have precious memories, but it's in reverse. We also got wisdom. Okay. So far, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na binibigyan ka niya ng wisdom or guidance sa mga panahon na you are undecisive. And with the precious memories being in reverse, ibig sabihin lang nun, may kinalaman ito siguro sa tao. Okay, at naguguluhan ka siguro if that person can be trusted or not. But yet, on your decision making, you are guided by heaven. We have the safe. At saka, I feel na nililigtas ka ng Panginoon sa mga maling sitwasyon. Okay, so we also have this one, the Fool is in reverse. We also got the key in reverse. Okay, so I feel like you do have this luck with the 7 being here, and 7 also represents the Lord, right? It's Lord's number, and I feel like itong tao na to na may kinalaman sa mga past mo. Siguro ito yung tao na hinahadlangan yung iyong proseso with regards sa inyong buhay, and I feel na binigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon na makita yung katotohanan, and you are undecisive about it. Kasi with the heart being in either way, meaning may pinagsamahan ka with that person, at mabigat sa iyong kalooban na bitiwan mo itong tao na to dahil sa precious memories. We have the mess in reverse. We also got the fake in reverse. So, yung iba sa inyo guys, hindi kayo naniniwala sa pinakita ng Panginoon sa'yo dahil na rin sa mga nangyari before with this person, yung mga memory. We also got the gateway in reverse. We also have this one in reverse. Nakalungkot lang kasi, God gave you guidance about this thing, but yet you're not believing on it. Maybe mahirap paniwalaan, like example, may pinagsamahan ka with a person, and you know to yourself that this person is good dahil may pinagsamahan kayo, but yet siguro yung nangyari dito is bilang naging masama yung iyong tao, and God showed you signs about it. Syempre mahirap paniwalaan yun kasi nga, kilala mo itong tao na to in a good way. Okay? But yet, yung mga bagay na pinakita sa'yo ng Panginoon, pinakita niya yun dahil nililigtas ka niya from this person kasi nga hindi na siya mabuti, sumama na siya. Okay? So, sana wag yung pagdudahan kung ano man ang pinakita sa inyo ng Panginoon, and know that, you are given those signs to save you. Okay? Kasi kung magpapatuloy pa to, baka further heartbreak na yan, or mas masyado ng masakit, lalo na pinagpatuloy mo yung connection na hindi na okay. So that's it everyone, and God bless all of you.